What's up guys, welcome back to Big Dough. So, do you revenge trade? By revenge trade I mean, do you trade very often? Do you trade in lot of numbers? Do you trade in lot of quantities and end up losing anyway, and then you trade more and more and more and end up losing that money as well? So do you trade to nullify your losses or do you trade to make profit? I know what it is. So let's discuss about revenge trading in this one. So how does revenge trading start? So when you trade, when you make a trade, when you execute a buy order or a sell order, depending upon if you're taking a long position or short position, whatever it is, and trade goes against you, it goes south, and at that time you are very unsure if you want to exit the trade or not. So you keep a little bit, you just update your stop loss to a little bit down or a little bit up depending upon the trade, depending upon your position, and you end up losing anyways. This is what agonizes you. This is what makes you angry. I mean, how can market go in the same direction that I predicted after hitting my stop loss? This is some fucked up situation. I know, I feel you, bro. So now we get into a revenge mode. Market was our ally, but now we are in revenge mode. We are taking revenge. We want our money back. So you immediately get into a trade again, and that's when the game goes on. Suppose you are trading options, and in options, as you know, the time decay, and you're buying the options. So in options, we know there is time decay, which really works against you. However you trade, if you're buying, if you're a buyer, the delta will always work against you. And then you realize market is retracing or something, then it goes back again and gets you down to your stop loss, and it hits again. So you do it again multiple times and you do revenge trading. There is a big difference between over trading and revenge trading. Over trading is like trading in 2 quantities, then you hit the stop loss, then trading in 4 quantities, then you hit the stop loss again, then again you trade with 6 or 8 quantities to nullify the loss. Revenge trading is like if you lost some money in the morning and you again try to make money so that you can nullify the loss, or make some profit, like 2 points extra of the points that you lost, is revenge trading. This is not you must do. Now, since you have a good idea about how revenge trading happens, what makes you do it, let's talk about how to stop it. Well, the very first thing you must do is look at the chart or the option chart in which you're gonna take the trade, and simultaneously open the main chart and look if the movement is coming. You are going to take a trade. If you are a buyer, you're going to take trade when your moment comes. And as soon as you take your trade, I repeat, as soon as you take a trade, you should set your stop loss immediately as soon as you take a trade. I'm stressing on this a lot. And now, where you will like, okay, my stop loss just hit. You just said it. My stop loss just hit. Where should I put my stop loss if it is going to get hit? That's why I told you, look at the option chart first. Second, you have to look at the chart and you have to decide, you have to predict how market will look if it goes against you. How the market must look if the position is against you. And that's where you set your stop loss. This is what we call predefining the stop loss before entering. So you entered, you have set the stop loss, don't update the stop loss. You can trail the stop loss, but do not update the stop loss so that you could incur more loss. We are not here to lose money, we are here to cut the losses. Basically, when you should stop trading for the half or for the day is when you take a call, when you take a long position and your stop loss gets hit. So you take a short position and then your stop loss gets hit again. That's where you decide you should not trade for today, because in both ways you were hit by stop loss. That means it is not your day. Take your money and leave. Remember, you do not live to trade, you trade to live. If you like this video, make sure you give a thumbs up and let me know some problems of trading related to psychology in the comment section. I will surely help you. Have a good time. Bye.